namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay? So before starting the video, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to today's video sponsor Keen. Okay, so if you're not familiar what Keen is an online service that provides access to various psychic and spiritual advisors who provide guidance and insight on life challenges like love, relationship, career, and anything that you want. Okay, my personal experience with Keen has been very eye-opening one. Okay, it led me to change my perspective regarding an issue that was bothering me at that time. I was able to see things very clearly about my path. So she gave me clear guidance at that time. I just got clarity. And it helped me to focus on myself rather than focusing on others. I was doing the self-care that I needed. I was taking care of myself. I was working on my goals, desires. I was having a routine. So yeah, it led to a lot of changes in my life. And so whenever I feel lost or confused, I just see guidance from her, and it gives me a lot of clarity, a lot of hope for the future. And yeah, that's my personal experience there. Okay, so as a new Keen customer, you are going to get your first 10 minutes for only at $1.99 by clicking the link in my description box or in my comment section. It will be pinned. Okay, so Keen provides its services 24/7, so there will be a spiritual advisor always, so you can just schedule your call and talk to your favorite spiritual advisors. Let me tell you, the sign up process is so simple and it's so easy. All you have to do is click the link and get it started. Keen is going to ask you a few simple questions, and then a list of psychics and spiritual advisors are going to pop up for you. Also, Keen is one of the most affordable ways to get a psychic reading. There are so many different advisors to choose from on Keen, which is why Keen is so amazing. Some of them charge a little bit higher above price, some choose to charge a little bit lower price. So you are able to find the advisor that works for you and the amount of money that you're willing to spend on a psychic reading. Once you find a spiritual advisor that works for you, then you can go back to the same psychic. That way you can build an ongoing relationship with the spiritual advisor of your choice. When you guys sign up, make sure to check your email every week, because Keen sends out weekly discount codes. That way you can get a more affordable psychic reading. It is an amazing service. So if you want to check it out, the link is going to be in my description box, and I'll pin the link on in my comment section as well. So if you click the link, the first 10 minutes you have to only pay $1.99 for the first 10 minutes, and it's a very great deal. Very great, really great deal. Okay, so thank you Keen for sponsoring this video. So the topic for today's reading is 5 years from now, how life will be. So that is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings as well, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. Okay, so today I have 3 oracle decks for you guys. These are small decks. Okay, so mini oracle deck sets for you guys. So for group number 1, these are the deck, the fortune cookies oracle deck for group number 1. For group number 2, we have this fairy dust oracle cards. And for group number 3, it's the divine doors oracle cards. So close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, and then choose an oracle deck that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be given in the description box. You go ahead and watch accordingly. If you need more time, pause the video, take your time, and then watch the video. So I'm gonna start with the first group. for group number 1, if you have chosen this fortune cookies, then let's see how your life will be 5 years from now. So what I have basically done is that these energy oracle cards will tell me about the overall energy for you guys 5 years from now. These 2 light seers tarot deck cards will be talking about your career. Then fairy oracle card, fairy tarot deck will speak about your love life, and then the psychic tarot will talk about the messages from your spirit guides, angels, okay, and the fortune cookies will talk about the blessings for you guys 5 years from now. And then we have the charms also. So let's start. Okay, so let's see the overall energy first. So for your overall energy, wow, so I just wait a second, I have to take the cards. I just dropped it. Okay, so I just received a message like drumming for some of you. Maybe you want to learn that, or maybe you love to hear drumming music, drums and all. So if you love to listen to that, keep on listening, because I feel like it's very good for your soul. It relaxes you, or for some of you it even puts you in a trance state where you will be able to have a connection with the divine. For some of you, definitely. For others, it's like you love to drum, or maybe you want to get good at it. So slowly but surely you will get good at it. Okay, don't stop practicing, keep on practicing. Or maybe it can be any other instrument as well. Okay, so it will take time, but definitely drums, it was very strong, the drumming thing for you guys. Okay, so let's see what is the overall energy for you guys for 5 years from now. Okay, we have man holding a coin, the thinking woman, and the sacral chakra, Archangel Ariel. Oh wow, creativity, something about creativity. So I feel your major focus right now is to build your career. Okay, build your creativity. Maybe for some of you are studying something, like if you are learning a course or something like that. I feel like you will be getting very good at it, and this thing that you're learning will give you a lot of opportunities, financial opportunities. Okay, and this is something creative thing that you like doing. So maybe for some of you it's a passion that you have, you're very good at it. So if you have started something, like right now, if you have been starting something, you have been learning about it, if you have been taking that extra online course for that, definitely 5 years from now I see that you will be receiving a lot of opportunities for that. Okay, like yeah, a lot of opportunities for your creative ability. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, and for others, if you want to do like PhD, maybe if you are doing that right now, I feel like you will be completing that thing. And for some of you, you will be taking the job as a professor or something like that 5 years from now. So your job looks good, I feel like. Or maybe in your job also you use creative things. Like when you teach, you use creative methods to teach children, something like that, and it is going to be appreciated by a lot of people. Maybe you will be teaching online creatively, and because of it a lot of people will come and give you opportunity. So something with creativity, using your creativity to spread knowledge. Okay, for some of you, that is also I'm getting here. And with this Archangel Ariel, I feel like you're healing your sacral chakra. Okay, maybe for some of you, if you yeah, your reproductive things, I'm getting like 5 years from now, if you want to have a kid, definitely I'll see that happening for many of you. Okay, so that is something I'm feeling like, birthing a child. For some of you, it can be a birth of a project or a company or a business that you want to do. So that is also I'm feeling like. So 5 years from now, I feel like you'll be starting it. Maybe if you have already started it, I feel like you will be getting a lot of opportunities. With this man holding a coin, I feel you will be receiving a lot of opportunities for your work. Okay, that's something I'm strongly feeling. And I feel like you will be studying a lot. 5 years from now, you will have a lot of knowledge as well. You will be studying, and I feel like even though you're in a creative work, you need a lot of knowledge, right? Maybe you'll you'll be reading about self improvement, like how to improve your habits, how to be more productive. So that is also something I'm getting. If you're a teacher, maybe you'll be teaching that to other kids, like how to be productive, how to have a habit. Okay, so a lot of teaching vibes also I'm getting. Maybe for some of you will be teaching others to like teaching others to become aware of themselves, like to build their self image, something with that also, like personality development I'm getting. Like maybe you will be working in that area also. Or for some of you I'm getting specifically, maybe you want to become a max teacher. Yes, definitely you will be teaching max very creatively, and you will not be, I even feel like that you will be not teaching for an organization, like you will not be teaching for an educational institution because you don't like to work under other people. So I feel like you will be teaching like through online or creatively, and people will be coming to collaborate with you. A lot of people will be happy to collaborate with you because your vision is something different, like something new, something unique. So there is that aspect also. Okay, if you are a mother or a father, I feel like if you're worried about your kids' education, I feel like you don't have to worry about your kids' education, because someone might sponsor money for the education of your kids. For some of you that is also there, I'm getting, because this is a general reading. So definitely I feel like, so if you are like worried, maybe your daughter or son wants like like they might get a scholarship, that is also I'm getting. Yeah, or if you want to study something and you don't know where you will receive the money from, I feel like there is someone who will sponsor you. Okay, so for others it's also for your for maybe if you work by yourself, you will get a lot of collaboration opportunities for some of you. So take those opportunities. I feel like it will build your vision. I feel like you have a big vision for yourself right now. You are focusing on to build that career. Maybe you're right now studying about it. Whatever you're doing, I feel like in 5 years from now it is going to grow, and your creativity will be at its peak, and you will have a lot of knowledge as well. I feel like for some of you, you are learning how to move forward with your business. Like you are creative right now, but you don't know about business, how to manage the finances. So I feel like there is a help coming there also, like who will be helping you with your finances. They will be teaching how to invest, where to invest, or maybe there are people around you who will help you with that. So definitely there is progress in your career. 5 years from now you can expect something unique that is going to come out of you. So don't self doubt yourself. That is also I'm getting. And for many of you, you need to work on your sacral chakra, because I feel like in relationship I feel like you will have little bit of trust issues. Maybe you don't trust people very easily. So in that area, I feel like 5 years from now you will be resolving that also. Okay, so yeah, but definitely this 5 years from now you will be very matured. Definitely you will be very, very matured person. The way you think now, it's not going to be the same. You will have so much of wisdom, so much of knowledge. Like it's with this butterfly right now, I feel like you're in a box. You're not seeing the bigger picture, or you are just afraid to get out of your comfort zone. Even though you're very creative right now also, you are afraid to take risk. You're afraid to do things differently. But I feel like 5 years from now you will be doing things very, very differently, very creatively, that no one has thought of. Something different. You have that vibe, because you're very wise also. Okay, and for in your love life also, I feel like there is a person who can be an earth sign, might come your way. Okay, that's also quite possible. Like Cancer, I got Cancer also, earth sign, like Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo person might enter your life, and this person will teach you a lot of things that you don't know about yourself. Okay, maybe in your business, because this person, if you're a female watching this person will be very accomplished in his business. So he might teach you about it, how to build or how to grow your business, or how to move forward with your career, how to do things creatively. Look, something this person might teach. Okay, and this person might become your friend, or might become your business partner, or it can also be that you might get into a relationship with this person. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's the thing I'm getting here right now. And anything else, if you're a male, I feel like if you want to grow your business, definitely you will be very very good at it. If you are in a corporate field, I feel like you will be getting the position that you want, that you are aiming for, that you have been working towards it. I feel like 5 years from now you will be at that position, you will have that position. Okay, your money will be good. Okay, so let's see your career. Okay, we have 3 of Pentacles and 9, the Hermit. For some of you, definitely I see that you will be doing, maybe for some of you will be working from home. Like, yeah, that's something I'm getting here for some of you. And with the 3 of Pentacles, like, you will be working with people, as well as you will be doing things by yourself, like collaborating with the company for a thing, doing, like, maybe for some of you, you're artist, just an example, you're artist, you are good at it. So some company, like a pouch company, the company that produces pouch will come and they will tell you that they need artwork, and you might collaborate with them. So you will do your work at your own pace, right? Yeah, it's like that kind of collaborations might happen for many of you, I feel like. So doing things by yourself, taking care of taking care of your own needs, that is something I'm getting. Taking care of your own needs, as well as spiritual development also, you're focusing on. You will be focusing on yourself a lot to build your career. So working from home is something I'm getting, collaborating with people. And if you're studying also, I feel like you might be studying alone, but at the same time you will be speaking with your friends, or sometimes, right? That's the energy, because 3 of Pentacles is energy where you're working together with people, and Hermit is an energy where you're doing things by yourself. You are doing things creatively, you want to do something by yourself, you're like, it's like combination of these two things. So I feel like for many of you, you want to be self-employed. So as I told you, you're teachers, like you are working with other people, you are teaching other people, but you're not working, like you're not like under education, under a school, like not working, but at the same time working for other people. Like you're doing online classes, you're producing classes, like you're producing the videos, you're putting it in YouTube and people are watching, like that also, and through that other people are collaborating with you. So that's something I'm getting here for you guys. Okay, yeah, so that's the thing. I'm getting like that energy. Okay, for some of you, it's like you might start a business and you will hire people that you will be able to work with. Okay, so you're only going to work with the people who you can tolerate. You're not going to work with people who are not in your energy. So you will be very picky about it, I guess. Yeah, or even if you are in a field, I feel like you will be doing things the way you want. Okay, you will be working with people, but you will be doing things the way you want. You will be standing up for yourself. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Yeah, but definitely with this, the career you are in right now, it will lead to a lot of growth. You will grow as a person, you're going to mature as a person as well. Yeah. Okay, let's see your love life. Oh wow, we have 3 of Swords and 6 of Pentacles. Definitely right now you're single. For some of you, you're single, you're heartbroken right now. I feel like that, and I even feel like that you're not even focusing on your love life anymore. Right now you're not focusing on your love life. That's something I'm getting here, because you don't believe, you have trust, you don't trust people easily right now, because you have gone through a lot of tough times in your love life. So you're not even wanting to have a relationship. With this Hermit card also it makes sense. You want to be at home, do your things at your own pace, collaborate with the people only you like. Okay, for some of you I even feel like that you might be a homemaker. Okay, so yeah, so you will be, yeah, you will be working on raising your kids. So yeah, that is also something I'm getting here. You will be working on your spiritual progress rather than relationship. So yeah, so right now I feel like you're very heartbroken right now. I feel like, because we have 3 of Swords energy and then we have 6 of Pentacles energy, right? So here the person is crying and then here the person is hugging, right? So yeah, so some of you are feeling alone, some of you have broken your heart right now, or but I feel like this is going to change 5 years from now. For some of you, if you're a single parent, I feel like you will find someone new that will give you the love you deserve. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. And for others, if you're in a relationship right now and maybe this thing is like this you're heartbroken because you're not able to work, you're not able to go for your dreams. Maybe you don't like staying at home, you want to go to a job but you don't know where to go. So for some of you that can be also the thing right now. Okay, but I feel 5 years from now with the six of Pentacles, you're getting the support. Yeah, if you are worried about your career, right? For some of you, I feel like you're worried about your career and that's why you don't know where to start from, because maybe you had a gap. So you don't trust yourself with your talents right now. So I feel like you might be doing something from home that will click and people will be wanting to sponsor you, right? Something like that I'm getting here for some of you. And for others, if you have had relationship issues, if you had dealt with third party situations, whatever it is, there is someone new coming. As I told you, that can be an earth sign or a Cancer sign. I don't know why I got Cancer sign also, or earth sign specifically, because we have this pentacle here, 6 of Pentacles also. So definitely the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person might be of importance. So you might meet this person will support you with your finances, with your business, like everything, in every area of your life. This person will support you and you will be so surprised that these kind of people exist. So that's something I'm getting here. So definitely right now I don't see you. For some of you, if you're single, you will be staying single, but definitely 5 years from now you will be in a solid relationship, a relationship where you will be giving, what you're giving, you will be getting it back. So that's something. With the 6 of Pentacles, there is going to be balance, and I feel like you will be healing your past hurts as well and transforming into much more beautiful self. Okay, so definitely there is sacral chakra healing. So maybe you will be becoming mothers, or if you're a mother, you will be healing your relationship with your kids. But there is a lot of spiritual progress as well for you guys, I feel like 5 years from now. Let's see what look, we have third eye chakra and then we have universe. So what I feel like, you are going to make your visions a reality. That's what your spirit guides and angels are telling you right now. What vision you have right now, if what are your what visions, you might be imagining certain things in your life. You want your business to grow, maybe you want your career to move in a direction that you want. So if you are a stay-at-home parent, maybe you want to do something, you want to make second income. So whatever visions you have, you are going to make it happen for yourself. It's slowly you will get there. That's what your spirit guides, your angels are telling. So with this third eye chakra, I'm getting sometimes you confuse yourself. You think that I can do this, I will do it. You have this vision, you believe in this vision of yours, but then you doubt yourself. So let go of this self-doubt. That is what you need to do. Believe in your own wisdom, believe in your own knowledge. That is something I'm getting. And with this third eye chakra, for some of you, you are definitely focusing on your spirituality with this Hermit card. Like coming out of the finding the light at the end of the tunnel. So 5 years from now, I feel like that you will be finding that light, right? And for others, I feel like 5 years from now you will be traveling as well, maybe shifting to a new location. That's possible. If you want to shift, that's also possible. Yeah. Or I even feel like if you're working for some organization, maybe you'll quit that job and move into a different place where you might work from home. So self-employment is very strong here for many of you. Okay, freelancing. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Teaching from home. Okay, something like that, definitely. Like with this universe, your work will travel to all parts of the country, all parts of the world. That's the thing, right? And with this phase, what I'm getting, like, your spirit guides, your angels are showing you the visions as well. You're very, very clairvoyant. Okay, so trust your vision. So if you are focusing on your spiritual gifts, I feel like your spiritual abilities will be progressing, advancing as well, and you will be able to make better decisions. Okay, and the next thing I noticed for you guys is we have number 3 here, we have number 3 here, and we have number 3. So we have 3, 3, 3. 3 is the number of growth, opportunity, celebration, moving ahead in life, right? Connection with spirit guides, angel, ascended masters. So definitely there is spiritual progress for you guys, as well as career advancement, I am feeling like. And definitely in love life also, things are going to get better for you guys. You will be able to trust people. So if this is not a relationship, if you don't want to be in a relationship, I feel like a good friend is coming your way who will give you that support. So definitely there is balance in your love life, and I feel like you're finding harmony and balance inside of you. That's something I'm getting 5 years from now. And we have the next number for you guys is 6. We have the 6 again. So 6 is all about harmony, right? Harmony, sharing responsibilities. It's like after the 5, after the action, after the challenges come the harmony, peace, sharing responsibilities, working with people, right? Maybe you want to give things to your family. Maybe you want to help your family in some way financially. You will be able to do it. Okay, so definitely for some of you, you will be completing the course, and you will be able to help your parents. Maybe your parents are struggling to pay your fees and all. If that's the thing, definitely you will be helping your parents. For some of you, you will be getting a job abroad. For most people, I feel like you might be working from home. That's not, but it's a general reading, so you might be working for an organization, but I feel like it will not be in the area where you live right now. It can be in a different country or a different area. Okay, yeah, but you will be focusing on your spirituality. 5 years from now, I see a lot of spiritual growth for you guys. Okay, so let's see what is the blessing. Oh, we have the love life. So definitely love life, there is a blessing in your love life. So yeah, with this 3 of swords, as I told you, someone is heartbroken, you don't believe in love anymore. And with the sacral chakra also, you don't trust people, you have issues trusting people, you don't believe that you're worthy for a good relationship. But I feel like if you are in a toxic relationship right now, I feel like that you will be letting go of this relationship, working on your spiritual progress, working on your career, and moving into a balanced relationship. Yeah, love life is going to be a major blessing. As I told you, this person will support you, and this will be a very good balanced relationship. And I even feel like you will be like, these kind of people exist, like that kind of question you will be asking, and I'm so lucky to find this person. So yeah, because you haven't met like these kind of people in a relationship. So yeah, 5 years from now, you will be healing a lot. You will be loving yourself more, taking care of yourself more. Love life will be better. I feel like it will be a very balanced relationship. So that's the blessing 5 years from now. Affairs of the heart could cause future problems, but take heart as difficult situation will be resolved by a good decision. Okay, but we are talking about 5 years from now. But I feel like the blessing, it came as a blessing. So your love life is going to be blessed. from 5 years from now. Okay, if you are in a long-term relationship, if you're feeling hurt, if you love your partner and all, if you're feeling hurt right now, things are going to be easy for you guys. Okay, things are going to get balanced, don't worry. Yeah, things will be much better in your love life 5 years from now. It's not going to be the same. And if you're single, definitely someone is coming your way. And I even feel like there will be marriage 5 years from now. Many of you will be married also. Okay, so let's see the charms. 5 years from now. Oh, we have the number 7. Oh, look, books. Again, a lot of learning is going to happen for you guys. 5 years from now, lot of spiritual progress for you guys, lot of wisdom, understanding universe, understanding the laws of universe, reading a lot, maybe for some of you PhD and all. Learning will be very important for you guys, doing things very, very creatively, and learning as well as teaching. You'll be learning, you'll be teaching as well. Yeah, even though if you do work also, you'll be learning, you'll be studying a lot. That's something I'm getting here. And if you are if you are in a course, I feel like you will be able to complete that course with flying colors. Okay, you will be graduating 5 years from now. For some of you will be graduating, I even feel like that. And if you have a PhD, if you're working on a PhD, I feel like you'll be able to complete that as well. Yeah, we have the popcorn, and I feel like 5 years from now you'll be enjoying life. Right now you're working towards your goal, you're working very, very hard, but 5 years from now you will be able to see the fruits of your labor. So you will be able to enjoy a movie by eating popcorns. Okay, so that's also I'm getting. So right now you are working a lot towards everything. Okay, and maybe for some of you don't have enough money to have more fun or to travel right now, but 5 years from now definitely there is going to be progress. Okay, and then we have mermaid, love. Yeah, love, singing this song of your soul, right? Listening to your heart more and more. And with this hermit also, you are going to listen, you're going to shine like a light, you're going to stand up for yourself, you're not going to tolerate the shit that you tolerate now. That's also I'm getting here. So yeah, and you will be very connected with your emotions as well. You will be sharing your emotions. Maybe right now you don't share that much, but I feel like in 5 years from now you will have someone to share all your problems and all. Okay, so we have T and O. You will be very thankful, I feel like, for this person. Together too, I'm getting like that. So yeah, that's what I'm getting. Okay, so that is the message I received for you guys. I hope you like the video. I'll see you soon. Take care. So group number 2, if you have chosen this fairy test oracle cards, let's see how your life will be 5 years from now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is first these energy oracle cards. You got 4. I just took 3 for group number 1, but you got an extra card. So energy, overall energy for you guys from 5 years from now. And these 2 cards will be talking about your career. These 2 tarot cards will be talking about your love life. Okay, and these 2 cards will be talking about your messages from your spirit guides, your angels. And this will be the blessing for you guys 5 years from now. Okay, and we'll be doing the charms as well. So let's see what is your general energy from the energy oracle card. Let's see. Okay, so the first card you have drawn is adjacent possibilities. Wow, a lot of possibilities that you cannot see right now, you will be seeing 5 years from now. And then we have 5th chakra, Archangel Gabriel. Wow, and then we have victory, and we have goddess of the moon. So your intuition is going to be very, very strong, and you will receive, like through your intuition, you will be able to receive creative solution right. Maybe, for some of you, I feel like you will be helping other people to find solutions because your intuition will be very strong. So if you are into spirituality, like if you want to make a career there, I feel like you will be very good at it. Maybe you will be progressing. So if you already have like that kind of a career where you are guiding other people, you are motivating other people, you're finding solutions for other people's problems, so I feel like you will be very good at it. Okay, so definitely that's there, because with this Goddess of the Moon card, your intuition is going to be so heightened 5 years from now. So if you are already intuitive, then your intuition is going to be much stronger. Like I feel like you'll be working on your spiritual abilities a lot. And so with this Goddess of the Moon, you will be making decisions intuitively. You'll be trusting your intuition, you'll be trusting spirit guides, you'll be believing in the universe, right? So that's something I'm getting. Your faith is going to be much stronger. You will believe in yourself, you will be believing in universe. Like if you feel like, you'll be like this kind of people when you get up, like you'll be meditating, and then if you feel like drinking coffee, you will drink coffee. If you feel like drinking tea, you will be drinking tea. Like eating also will be intuitive. I feel like that you'll be trusting that much. Like I feel like you're knowledgeable. Like you have this logical intelligence, but at the same time you'll be listening to the wisdom of your body. So if you feel like resting a day, you will be resting. If you feel like eating, if you don't feel like eating, you will not be eating, right? So what your body needs, that is what you're going to do. If you want to buy something, that will also be like intuitively you will be buying things. So I feel like you will be working with spirit a lot, you will be believing in it, and because of it you will have solutions for every problem. So if you maybe your friends, maybe you will be having a lot of good friends, I feel like that. Or maybe I even feel like you'll be working with your friends. Okay, working with your friends. That's something I'm getting, working with your friends. And helping your friends, helping people. That's the thing, you will be helping people, motivating people. Like with this 5th chakra, Archangel Gabriel, speaking your truth, like receiving messages from a different realm and giving that messages to other people. So helping people to solve problems. For some of you, that is what you will be doing 5 years from now. And as well, I feel like in your life also, maybe you will not be helping others, but I feel for some of you, you will be using your intuitive power to solve problems in your real life. So when one door is closed, you will see, this door is closed, but yeah, there is some other solution for me. There are multiple doors that has been opened for me. So, and even if you're in your career or in your love life, if you feel like that this door has been closed, I feel like you will be not knocking on that closed door, because you know that that door is not for you, and you will be stepping back. And when we let go and when we surrender, that is when new opportunities come. So you are not going to hold on to things very tightly 5 years from now. You will be not afraid to let go, because you will be trusting spirit that much. That's something I'm getting here. Like your days will be like getting up early in the morning, breathing in air, breathing out, doing yoga, meditation, trusting in the spirit, like trusting in everything. For money, you will be trusting for everything. And I even feel like that whatever you're going to do, it will help other people in some way. Your words, your messages will help people. That's something I'm getting here. And for some of you, if you're in communication field, like maybe for some of you, you are video creators or you're writers, if you're in that field, you will be able to flourish. I'm getting like communication area for some of you. Maybe if you're into that public speaking, you're going to be very victorious. So right now, maybe for some of you, you have throat chakra issues. So I feel like you'll be working on those like that throat chakra issue. And I even feel like you're going to be very honest with people. So it's like you're not going to say lies, or like sometimes people do now for their gain. We say something that we don't want to do and for our gain, but I feel like you will not be doing that. You will be very authentic. You will be saying your truth. In a relationship also, if it is not working, you're going to say what you want in a relationship. So you are going to be very strong. You will be standing in power. Yes, you will be in your power. It's not that you will be manipulating other people, I'm not saying, but you will be in power. you will have your you will have all together. I'm getting 5 years from now. If it's that's not the case right now, I feel like everything will be together. So if you are studying about something, if you're in if you're doing a program in communication, if you're studying something communication related, you will be getting a lot of opportunities to showcase your skill. Maybe if you're singers, dancers, right, anything. I feel like there is victory for you guys 5 years from now. For some of you can be into acting also, yeah, or maybe like, look, she's dressed up, she's dancing, right? Maybe for some of you cosplay, or maybe you will be dressing up, dancing, and people putting makeup, mask, or something like that. If you're into that, definitely I see you will be very good at it. Okay, you will be victorious. And for some of you, makeup also, maybe something related with makeup, you are learning something about makeup, maybe you will be very good at doing makeup, something creative styles you're creating. So in that also, that area also, I see very much nice energy, like you will be thriving there also. And I'm getting like you're going to glow up a lot, because with these two cards, look at the females, they're so beautiful. I feel like you're going to glow. Like, yeah, lot of people are going to want your attention. That is also I'm getting, like, very you'll be attracting a lot of people. The way you talk, like the way you talk, people will be like attracted to you guys. Maybe they will be attracted to your healing voice, singing. You're good, you sing, maybe you sing, maybe you're good at it, and people will be so attracting. Like maybe you sing and dance as well, maybe you mimic sounds, whatever you do. It's like in that case, I feel like maybe artist. For some of you are artists and you're gonna grow, you'll be victorious at it, and you're going to shine your light, you're going to make a mark. For some of you, I see fame. Fame. So don't worry if an opportunity is not happening for you guys, because there will be multiple opportunities coming your way. Yeah, music I'm getting. So if you are into music career, you are going to thrive there. Acting, because with this victory, definitely. So all you need to do is to trust your intuition along the way. Trust it. Sometimes when we trust our intuition, it's like going into the unknown. So here your spirit guides and all are telling, trust it, because it will give you lot of success, happiness, and I even feel like that you are going to be doing what you want to do. Like it's something that you love to do. You're going to do what you love, not something that you don't love, right? So you are going to work on your passion, on your higher calling. For some of you, I even feel like you will be aligned with your higher purpose as well. Okay. And for some of you, something related hair, maybe you will be doing do hair, or you're learning about it, like makeup and all. That is also I'm getting here. Very creative energy here also. Pile 1 also had a creative vibe, but for you guys, it's all about acting, dancing, like playing theater, dressing up, cosplay, models, motivators. For some of you, even psychics. I'm getting like that also. But yeah, 5 years from now. But the main thing is, like, your life is going to get easy because you will be trusting your intuition, because you're very intuitive. You're going to be in touch with your divine feminine also. I feel like that, but a lot of feminine energy is there. Okay. Yeah, if you have problem speaking up for yourself, like if you want to perform in front of people but you're afraid, I feel like that you are going to let go of that fear and become more confident and believe in yourself, and you're going to change. You will be surprised by yourself. Group number 2, I feel like that. So let's see your career. Okay, look, we have Lovers and 4 of Wands. Your career, okay, maybe for some of you, you are going to do something with your partner or with your lover. That is also I'm getting, like with this dancing. I was talking about dancing, right? Acting. So maybe for some of you, you're into that field, modeling, dancing, acting, or maybe you play music for maybe you'll be playing music for marriage functions, like dancing and all there, or maybe you will be doing makeup, So I feel like, or event management as well, but I feel like you will be doing these things not alone. You'll not be doing anything alone, you will be doing with your friends or with someone you love. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. Because look at that, lovers and poor of wands, it's all about finding that the one. It's about, it's about career, and you got these two love cards here. So I feel like your career and your love will be connected. Maybe you will be finding this person and you will be partnering with them and doing things together. If you're Indian, you know there was one movie of Anushka Sharma and Ranbir Kapoor, like they were partners and they used to do that Band Baja Barat, right? Yeah. I don't know if you're Indian, if you know that. It's like I'm getting that energy, like Band Baja Barat, where these two people were working together for the, they used to, in the story they used to do event management, and when they were together they made a lot of success, a lot of money, but when they had problems and they were doing things differently, it didn't click. So for you guys also like that, you will be doing things with your partner or with your friend, and because you two will be doing it together, that's why it will be very successful. It's like you're going to create magic in other people's life in some way, like you will be a part of other people's celebration in some way. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here with this lovers and four of wands. Event, building homes, maybe designing homes, dancing, performing, singing, acting, like something like that, doing with other people, like collaborate, like working together with a partner. That's something I'm getting. Or maybe if you're an actor, you will have a manager who you will be working together with, and because of that manager we will be getting a lot of roles or something like that. Or modeling, like we have no managers, so that's the thing. And this person will be very close to you. For some of you, this person might be the one, and you might even marry this person. That is also I'm getting here. Yeah, interesting. I like it. So 5 years from now, you are going to be doing things that you love, and it's like you'll be enjoying life. For some of you, you will be traveling to different places for your work, and like traveling different places, performing on stage. Maybe you have a partner, you perform with that partner. So wow, that's amazing. And yeah, your work is going to be like with this look, third chakra, it's like maybe you sing together, so it's like you're using your voice, or maybe you use your expression to convey your emotions to other people. Like, yeah, for some of you that is also the thing. Wow. But yes, work with your, when you will be working with your partner, that is when you will be enjoying your work. That's what I'm getting. You will be enjoying the work 5 years from now. So yes, so a partner, when you will be, I feel like you will be very successful when you will be working with this partner. And Sagittarius vibes also I'm getting, even though this is Gemini card, I'm getting the Sag vibes. For some of you, this person can be a Sagittarius. It's like exploring things, new things, like the way you dance, you both dance, it will be very unique. The way you sing, it will be very unique. Maybe you have a talent to like bring that nature sounds. I have seen that video where people are like through their throat they bring that nature sounds and all. I'm even getting that. Or maybe singing at events, whatever it is. This is beautiful. This is something, I don't know, it's a general reading, but that's the energy I'm getting. So yeah, like your career will make other people happy. You'll be part of other people's joy. That's something I'm getting. Or maybe you're into this entertainment business where you're entertaining other people, right? That can also be a thing. And your love life, okay? So yeah, we have 8 of Wands and 9 of Cups, right? So yeah, with 8 of Wands, traveling to different places with your loved one, all your wishes are going to come true. Maybe you want to travel all over the country. That is your wish. So I feel like you will be traveling with your person, right? Or maybe maybe for some of you it's like your love right now is your career. You want to grow in your career, you want to travel the world, and that's something I'm getting. Maybe your wish is to travel the world, to go to different places, to spread your wisdom, to give joy to other people, to make other people happy, to entertain other people. So maybe you can be on TV. So it's like you're traveling all over the world. So different people are seeing you. So maybe that's your love. Like maybe that's what you want from your heart, right? And I even feel like you're going to make a lot of people proud. But this pile is all about, I'm getting entertainment. If you're into that, like communication, motivating people, for some of you going to different parts of the world, presenting your seminars, like through communication. Like maybe for some of you want to write a book, and through your books people are very entertained, they feel happy, right? They feel joyful. So yeah, your wishes are definitely coming true. So maybe for some of you are going to be with the person you want to be with. Right now this person is in a different location. So maybe you will be traveling to that traveling there, or maybe that person will be coming to you. So you'll be together, and that is your wish. That's going to be fulfilled in a love life 5 years from now. Or maybe you haven't met this person at all. So when you will be traveling, maybe you will be meeting, you have like you want a person who you can travel with, who loves traveling. Maybe that's what you are focused on right now. Like you want someone who you can travel with, who you can see places with, who you can like go at different countries and sing together, dance together. Maybe that's what you want to do. So that's also possible. Like we have 8 and 9, right? So yeah, with 8 and 9, things will be amazing for you guys. I feel like in your love life, enjoying, feeling very joyful. This is a very different reading, guys. So yeah, like joyful. Look, these two girls are dancing. So it's like your career and your love life are related in a way. Like you are going to enjoy your work. Like your career is your love life. For some of you it's like your career is your love life, where you are loving your career. And you want to, maybe your wish is to just succeed in your career, to travel, to go to different places. So yeah, but definitely in your love life you are going to be with someone who you want to be with this 9 of Cups I'm getting. And if you want, if they're away, if you're in a long distance relationship, I feel like you will be coming together, and maybe I feel like you might marry this person. And if you're already in a committed relationship, if you're in a long distance relationship, definitely your wishes are coming true, the wishes you have. But there is a lot of victory for you guys in both love area and your career. It's all about joy. Look at the cards. It's all about joy, love, passion, following your bliss, reaching your destination, like enjoying the journey and reaching your destination, feeling protective. Like 5 years from now you will be happy. That's what I'm getting. 5 years from now you'll be feeling victorious, and you'll be like proud of yourself because you trusted your gut feeling and went with it, even though people might have said don't do this, but you did it anyway. So that's something I'm getting. So let's see what is the message from your spirit, guys. Yeah, you're going to be very, very powerful. You're not going to follow the herd, I'm getting. Your power is going to shine. You're going to be in your power. Did I say that you will be in your power? Like you will have all things together? Like that's what, yeah. In the process, you will be making a lot of sacrifices as well. Like for some of you, you will have to let go of certain people who are not going to be good for you, like maybe friends, maybe toxic relationship, who are coming in between your love. Like your career is right now your love. Maybe you have, like as I told you, you want to succeed, you want to travel, maybe you want to do it and you're feeling it. You want your work to reach to different people, you want to help people. So there are people who are coming in between. So yeah, there will be some sort of compromise that you will have to make. Yeah, but you will be standing strong because you have that courage. Okay, you have this lion within, right? Look at that two faces, there is a lion. You have that, and that is going to shine loud. You are going to be in your power. No one can take your power away from you because you're so in touch with the divine. You're listening to your intuition, you're trusting yourself, you have the faith, you have utter faith in universe. So I feel like a lot of knowledge also you're going to get. You will be doing a lot of law of attraction, I feel like, and you will be manifesting a lot of things. I feel like if you have a manifestation, if you have been writing something, if you have been scripting something, by 5 years from now, everything you will have, you will have manifested everything that you want. I feel like that also. So definitely you are going to be in your power. And yes, sometimes power comes with sacrifice. Sometimes you have to let go of people who are coming in between, right? But yeah. Again, you have 2 8s as well, abundance. You will be happy. Your finances also, I feel like it will be good. You will have money to travel. Yeah. Wow. Let's see if the charms have to add to this for you guys. Oh, we have the blessing. I forgot the blessing. Your whole spread is a blessing. Yeah, you're going to enjoy your life. I feel like that. But yeah, definitely there is sacrifices. But you are coming in your power. You know what to do. If you want, you are not afraid to, like the lion who is not afraid. If they want to catch the, if they want to hunt, they will hunt no matter what. Right, like that energy. And I even feel like that you are going to slay all your demons. I feel like the stressful energy, you're going to get rid of all that stress as well, like, because you will be not surrendering to stress. I feel like that anymore. What did I say? Surrendering to stress? Like I'm like not giving your power to stress. That's what I meant. Yeah. Actually, you'll be surrendering the things that you don't want. Like you will be letting go of. As I told you, you will not be holding tightly. You will be letting go of things. And what is your blessing? Wow, friends, definitely. Okay, maybe this person is a friend. Maybe you will be doing work with your friend. You will be partnering with your friend, and that's going to be a huge blessing for you guys. And I even feel like that this friend might become your lover. If, yeah, that's also possible for some of you. Okay, so all the love, your light extends its reflection shown in chosen friends. So yeah, your friends are you'll be blessed with good friends 5 years from now. If you don't have a friend right now, definitely they're good friends. Or if you have already a friend, I feel like you'll be doing something major with this friend. You'll be collaborating and your work will reach a lot of people. So let's see what the charms have to add to this. Oh, yeah. A lot of sacrificing, like a lot of crying also I'm getting. You'll be letting go of. Yeah. You're not going to hang on to the situations. You're not going to give power to the people who want you to not grow. You'll be outgrowing a lot of people and letting go of them. I feel like that. Yes, you are a free bird. Definitely look with this freedom that you are going to travel. You're going to do things by yourself, going out, having fun with people. Yeah, but look, things will be slow. Go with the flow. You will be able to reach where you want to reach in your life. Okay. Yeah, flying high, shift of your perception. The way you think now, it's not going to be the way you will be thinking 5 years from now. You're going to go high, hot air balloon, right? Maybe you'll be performing on a hot air balloon. I don't know, maybe you'll be going on a hot air balloon. But definitely there is something like that, like a lot of magic in your pile, like magic, like putting on like a fairy dress, right? I'm seeing that also performing. So that kind of energy is definitely there here. HOB. Oh, hobby. Okay. Maybe your hobby is to dress up or become. Yeah. Maybe for some of you want to become an influencer. That is also quite possible, I feel like. Yeah, money. Definitely money wise, things look good for you guys. Look, we have rabbit, prosperity, traveling, moving forward, progress. You look, you have the tortoise and you have the rabbit as well. So yeah, so don't be in a hurry to reach. Yeah, go slow, be steady, because you will reach your destination. You will win the race. Don't be in a hurry, because there are so many possibilities for you guys, infinite possibilities with the edges and possibilities card also. Yes, if one door shuts, you will have another door opening up for you guys. If you feel like stuck, you will have different creative solutions coming your way because you're so connected with divine. Lot of growth, lot of growth, lot of love. Look, love, full of love energy. You're going to give, like, when people will, I feel like if your performance, when people will see your show, they will feel so loved, they will be healed in a way. I'm getting here. Whatever the words you say is all full of love. Okay, like the communication, your motivation will make people love themselves. Maybe you are someone who will help people to love themselves, help people with the depression, or yeah, through your dancing, something like that. With a lot of love energy, your vibration is going to be very, 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 very high. Yeah, your occupation, you will be your priority. Like, maybe for some of you will even spend a lot of money, so maybe you need to be a little bit focused on that. Maybe financially you should make better decisions. Yeah, that's something I'm getting. But yeah, you're very intuitive as well, but sometimes I even feel like with this you need to be a little bit logical as well. I'm getting that energy also. So maybe you need to find a financial advisor. Yeah, then yes, we have the honey. So yeah, sweet abundance, your hard work will definitely pay off. Tree of life, your roots, I feel like your roots are going to be very, very strong, and your ancestors are with you. They are guiding you at every part of your life. So you will be going out having fun a lot 5 years from now. You will be partying a lot, I feel like in a sense, you will have your group where you will be dancing, singing songs and all. Like, look, I told you, love, full of love. Look, I have to show you again. We have a love here. We have love here. We have love here. Love, love. So much. Again, unicorn, magical. I told you, magic is going to, you are full of magic. I'm getting like wearing magical costumes, like something like that, dressing, dancing, enjoying life. Triangle, yeah. Because you are going to be very connected with divine. As I told you, your mind, body, soul is going to be very aligned with the universe. So what you think, you might receive. Your powerful manifestors as well. So yeah, I am getting a very dreamy life from this pile. Okay, so that's the message I received for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you have chosen this Divine Dose Oracle cards, let's see what is your message, how your life will be 5 years from now. Let's see for you guys. So these 3 cards are the energy oracle cards, so it will be telling me the overall energy for you guys 5 years from now, and these 2 cards are the career cards, so it will be telling me about the career. This is about the love, and these cards will be talking about the messages from your angels, spirit guides, and this is the blessing card. Okay, so let's see. So let's see, and I'll be doing the charms as well. So let's see the overall energy for you guys 5 years from now. So the first card is Healer of the Ages. Oh my god. Oh, look, Magician and the Mirror. And then cornucopia. Wow, guys, it's good. I first think what I'm getting is like your hard work is definitely going to pay off for you guys. Whatever you're working hard on, it will pay off 5 years from now. And I even feel like the things that you're stressing right now is not going to be an issue at all for you guys 5 years from now. That's for sure. There's going to be beautiful transformation that is going to happen for you guys. I even feel like that you will be working with the elements of nature, like fire, earth, water, water and air. Yeah, I'm getting like that. Look at this. Look, these 2 cards look so similar, like they 2 are standing, their hands are like this in this position, isn't it? So for some of you, I feel like you are into Reiki healing, or maybe you want to study about energy healing. And I feel like if you want to do that, maybe you will be doing it. Maybe for some of you don't even know about it. Maybe you're not even thinking about it right now. But I feel like 5 years from now, you will be good at this. Good at manifesting things. Yeah, with this cornucopia, because of your your mind is going to be very powerful. You will be learning a lot, you will be researching a lot, you will be knowing how universe works, how energy works, when at what time we need to work, at what moon phase we need to work. You will be learning about it, gathering all the information, working with it and experiencing it, and you are going to make all your dreams come true. So that's something I'm getting here for you guys. Yeah, look at these two cards. Look, there are two hands. Look at that. I'm getting like energy healing very strongly for you guys. If you are into that, go study that, because I feel like you will be very good at it. Okay, working with energy. And I feel like you're very maybe you want to learn about energy, maybe you're very interested about it. Yeah, go for it. For some of you, you will work with your hands. For some of you can be into this medicine, healing field is very strong here for you guys. If you are into that, I feel like if you're working hard towards that field, that I'm getting, definitely your wishes are going to come true. Look at that, the harvest is there. You have planted the seed. I feel like you have planted the seed, you have been working towards it, and you are going to wish, you're going to fulfill all your wishes 5 years from now. 5 years from now, you will be so matured. You will be very mature. Look, these two people, like, they are so mature, they're so in touch with the universe. You will know who you are, you will be confident in yourself, and you know that you're powerful manifestors. Yeah, for some of you, I even feel like you will be helping people to heal, working with energy. Yeah, that's something I'm getting. Yeah, we have the mirror also, reflection. You will be helping people to know what is stopping their success. I'm even getting like grief work. For some of you, will be working with grief work. For some of you, you might have some courses like magical courses, how to create magic in your life. Maybe you will be doing that in some way. Like, you're going to be the magicians, working with moon pieces. Spiritual development for sure. 5 years from now, you will be very strong person, a powerful manifestor, a magician. If you don't know, if you know that you have healing abilities right now, I feel like you will be very good at it. Yeah, success I see for you guys. If you are into medicine, if you want to become a doctor, I feel like that also is going to happen. Yeah, working, your hands, something about your hands are going to create magic. That's what I'm getting here. Whatever you touch will be a magic, because your mind is so powerful. You are going to train I feel like you're training your mind, and your thoughts are going to be so powerful that if you think, yeah, I want this, the next day you will get that. Like, you are going to be so good at manifesting 5 years from now. Oh God, yeah guys, I feel like that. You're going to help a lot of people, so you'll be talking about healing abilities, different ways you can heal yourself. You'll be talking about self-love. I feel like that also. Maybe for some of you, you will be writing mantras and giving to other people. You will be like that also, I'm getting here. For some of you, herbs, you'll be working with herbs. I told you, like, 4 elements of nature, you'll be working with that to manifest. And you will be, maybe for some of you, you will be even writing books or maybe PDF files and helping people. Yeah, or maybe for some of you, will be helping people to recognize their own healing abilities, their own power, their own mind power. So definitely it's like something with mind, like you will be teaching about the power of the subconscious mind, how to rewire our subconscious mind, how to change the programming. Maybe you're doing that right now. Maybe you will be making a lot of guided meditations. Yeah, something like that. Maybe, yeah. Candle magic, working with candles, working with people, working with deities. This is a very spiritual pile, and I see a lot of spiritual progression for you guys here. And yeah, that's the thing. And I feel if you have realized that you are clairvoyant or clairaudient or claircognizant, work on your skills, guys. You have so much potential if you work on this path. If you learn, if you research about it, if you a lot of occult information is going to given to like maybe if you want some information, you will receive it very easily. Like you will scroll the YouTube and you will receive the book and you will read it and you will get like advancement. You will have so much knowledge, 5 years from now there is so much knowledge, so much wisdom. You will be connecting with your ancestors. So much of, hey, look the infinite symbol. Lot of, yeah, infinite possibilities are going to be there for you guys. And yes, for some of you, I feel like you'll be working with crystals as well. If you want to start something with crystals, maybe crystal healing, maybe you will be reading other people's aura, akashic records, maybe you're psychics, spiritual advisors. But whatever you will do, it will help people. Your healing abilities are going to help people. Okay, if that is your path, if you feel like, if you are feeling like, yes, I need to work on that, if you want to work on that, go ahead, because there is so much that you can give to this world. I feel like you will be shifting the consciousness, uplifting humanity in some way, rising that consciousness. You will be working towards it. Yeah, that's it. And with this cornucopia, wishes coming true, fulfilling your wishes, fulfilling your desires, living your dream life, helping other people to live their dream life. How to plant a seed, how to grow that, it's with this, look at the fruits and vegetables. So you have planted the seeds, you're nurturing, and you are going to grow it. You're going to get that abundance. And I even feel like, if you want to make money, you're very good at making money as well. You are going to master a lot of skills, like mastering, you are going to be masters of your mind. There is one thing now, that our subconscious mind is a terrible master and a wonderful servant. So I feel like you're making your subconscious mind a wonderful servant. And because of it, your subconscious mind is going to listen to you, and you are going to make all your dreams come true. Wow. Okay, that is what I'm receiving. This is the message for you guys. Oh my god. Your thoughts, your thoughts, your words are very, very powerful. Use it wisely. Okay, that's also I have to say. 5 years from now, that's it. Okay, and don't use any, you have this power, and don't use it in a negative way, because it will affect you. And I know that you know it, but definitely I have to say it. Okay, so let's see your career. Oh my god. Yeah, I again, about this Ace of Swords, it's about your mind, lot of knowledge. You know how to work with your subconscious mind. You know how to find the balance. You know how to work with your angels. You know how to work with spirit guides. You know how to work with the universe, right? So whatever work you want to do, you will be able to be good at it. Like whatever it's like you're mastering your subconscious mind. So whatever you want to work on, like if you want to create a business, you will be able to create a business. If you want to be if you want this new job, you will be able to get that new job. Like whatever you want, you will be able to have it. That's what I'm getting here. Like, yeah, finding that balance, working with universe, working with angels, and working with Archangel Michael. Like it's yeah, making your subconscious mind a servant. Like, yeah, so you're getting that a lot of divine knowledge, lot of wisdom. That's the thing. And I feel like all the wisdom, all the knowledge that you have, you will be helping humanity in a way, and you will be balancing other people's energy in some way. Like you will be able to work on other people's if they are dealing with a problem, you will be able to give them creative solutions. Yeah, for some of you, I even feel you will be inventing something, because you are, yeah, you will be given the visions, and because of it, you will be able to invent something. This is a very different kind of reading, guys. That's what I'm getting here. But definitely your career is going to be very, very balanced, very balanced. And you know what, the good thing about you guys is like you are not going to force anything. You will not be forcing anything, you will be just attracting things that, yeah, you are going to be in harmony with the universe. You'll be working with the universe, you'll be co-creating things with the universe, for your career, for your love life, for anything that you want. That's what I'm getting. Look at the wisdom, look at the knowledge, like lot of steps you're going, you're getting deep into your subconscious mind, you're rewiring your subconscious mind and putting that thoughts that will give you that success, so you can be successful in any area of your life. And you're very intelligent people. Your emotional intelligence is very high. You're very, very intelligent people, so you know how to work with universe. Again, we have the infinity symbol, right? So yeah, things are like infinity, like infinite possibilities I'm getting for you guys 5 years from now. Your mind is going to create magic. The thoughts you think that is going to become a reality. Yeah, and we have this bird, and with this bird also I'm getting like divine wisdom. You receive wisdom from the divine, like higher power, angels, and you work on that. So for some of you, spiritual career I'm getting here. You'll be working in a spiritual career, giving guidance to other people, helping with grief work, helping children, vulnerable kids, healing people in some way. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Holding workshops, seminars. Let's see. Again, we love life. 5 of Swords and 3 Empress. Look, here they are. There's a rope, and they are like push and pull is happening here, right? So here with this 5 of Swords, you are not going to give up on your goals, your ideas, right? You're not going to tolerate people who make you feel like that you're nothing. I'm even getting like you're going to let go of a lot of people who, with this 5 of Swords energy, you're not going to be in that drama anymore, right? You don't want to argue with any people. You are going to be in this divine feminine energy where you will be attracting things. That's what I'm getting. Interesting with this pull and push here. People do that all the time. They force things to happen. They try their best, and like they give. When the energy is not good, they try, and nothing happens, right? They don't trust, then they doubt. And for you guys, you are not into all the drama. You attract people. If you want someone, you attract. If you don't want someone, you're not going to attract them, because like that's the thing I'm getting here. Attracting people, divine feminine, being in this divine feminine, receiving knowledge from the divine. For you guys, if you want money, you will be able to make that. If you want a love, if you want a friend, you will be attracting that a lot. So it's like no more dramas in your life, right? And feeling fulfilled. I feel like in your love life you will be fulfilled. For some of you, you will become mothers. Look, again, we have this eagle, a lot of wisdom, seeing things from a different perspective. No, you're not here for competition. You don't want to be in a competition. You're going to work with nature to get what you want. You're not going to force things. You're not going to do this push and pulling. You're not going to be in a competition. You don't want to be in competition. You're not going to argue, or you're not going to make people feel bad about you or others. Like, you're not going to be in this drama anymore. You're just going to be in this divine feminine energy, in this relaxed energy, where you are going to create things for yourself, right? For some of you, I feel like there is a glow up happening, like your hair. You will be growing your hair, and your hair will be so beautiful. You will be looking beautiful. Your energy will be so good. Like, you will be looking very younger also, I'm getting here. So in your love life, I'm getting like if you are already in a love relationship, your love life will be very good, very good. I'm getting that energy here. You're not going to deal with this kind of people. If you have these kind of people right now, they are not coming with you. Look at the treasure box. Look at the wealth. So you will be financially independent. I'm getting like that. You will be making like that's what you are going you like it's like what you want in your life, you have the power to create. You will be creating the dream life that you want. You will stay with the people only you love. You're not going to be with the people uh, who try to put you down. No, no, you're not going to be there with this empress. That's what I'm getting. You're not for this push and pull. Yeah, you are not afraid to let go of people. You're not afraid to surrender to divine. And even though it's look like, oh my god, your life is so amazing, like, but you are doing the work, right? Surrendering is not easy. Like, letting go is not easy. Not holding too tightly is not easy, right? So you you are mastering all those skills. You're going to be in your power. Look at the sword she has. She knows when she needs to fight. She has the power to protect herself, right? And yes, I feel like you will be giving a lot as well, because you will be very successful and you will be giving a lot to the needy people. I'm getting here. If you're mothers, um, you will have a lovely child. For some of you, your child, I'm getting your child will give you so much happiness. Like for some of you, your child is like a indigo child, like a child with a child who has rare gifts. That is also I'm getting for some of you. Yeah, no more competition, no more in this relationship where people are not respecting you, because you are going to be in only that place where people will respect you. You're not here for narcissistic relationship, because you can see through. So yeah, you're not here for that kind of relationship where people argue and no one wins. So yeah, you are not for them, and you know who you are for, and you will be only for them. Okay. Oh god. Yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, look, your spiritual message: obstacles and challenges and balance. Again, we have all the four elements. We have the wands, we have the pentacles, we have the cups, we have the swords, right? And then we have the angel here as well, right? So with obstacles and challenges, you're not afraid of any obstacles and challenges, and you don't have to be afraid of any obstacles and challenges, because whenever you face an obstacle and challenge, you know that divine is with you, and this is only to make you learn something. Like you will be learning something from that. So if you're dealing with people who are like this, with this five of swords energy, you will be not giving into them, because you know that divine is just putting this challenge to make me stronger. So yeah, and yeah, no challenge will put you down. That's what I'm getting. Your soul is so strong. You have so much wisdom, and you can face any challenges and obstacles, and you will find the balance, because you know to work with the universe. So if something doesn't happen the way you want, you're not going to give up, or you're not getting into that energy where you will be stressing. No. Instead, you will be meditating, you will be balancing your energy, and you will be trusting, and you will receive the things that you want to receive. You will receive the justice, right? So what you give, you receive. So with this balance also, I'm getting like the energy of karma. So what you give, you receive. So use your mind power wisely, because what you're giving to the universe, you're going to receive. So how your thoughts are going to be very important. That's also a message here. But no obstacle and challenge can break you. That's what I'm getting here. You're very strong people, and you know that you have the power. You have the power. You have that mind power. Yeah, you are getting the secret of your like the secret law of mastering law of attraction, mastering law of assumption, learning a lot of different things, right? Learning about energy, how to work with energy, how to find that balance. Yeah, And you know that what goes around what comes around, like goes around and comes around. Yes, you know that very well. So yeah, with the circle also I'm getting here. So you will do only the things that are good for everyone involved, right? So that's something I'm getting. So life is going to be harmonious and balanced for you guys 5 years from now. Again, we have number 11 here, and 11 again it reduces to number 2. It's an angel number, I feel like that. And yes, your angels, spirit guides are all helping you. And I even feel like that, for other, you will be helping other people to overcome the obstacles and challenges in their life and finding balance. Because I kind of get, I feel like you will be very balanced from inside. You'll be not stressing anymore. Like, you are powerful manifestors, so you're not going to stress like that. You'll be living in the present moment. So I feel like you'll be helping a lot of people. I feel like you are doing that work right now. You are, yeah, that's what I'm getting here for you guys 5 years from now. Helping people, helping humanity, uplifting humanity in some way. For some of you, that's what I'm getting. And that is a message I'm receiving. And let's see the blessings for you guys. Oh wow, intuition, definitely. Your intuition is going to be so strong, and that is your blessing. Simple, complex words of pain or words that heal. You come to know truth by the way it feels. Oh, for some of you, you are class sentience as well, so you can feel it. Okay, so yes, so your intuition is going to be strong, and that is your blessing. So yeah, that's why when our intuition is strong, we make better decisions, right? We do what's best for us, and our path looks easy, and that's what you're going to do, right? Your life is going to be easy because you're listening to your own intuition, and that is your blessing. Working with angels, working with ascended masters, working with archangels, this is definitely a very, very spiritual pile. So yeah, if you are in this create a spiritual business, spiritual career, you are going to grow, and you're going to help a lot of people. I'm getting spiritual teachers, yeah, holding seminars, writing books, self-help books, helping people, giving creative solutions to people, right? Maybe for some of you, you will be working to find like in crime, to resolve like crime scene or something like that. Also I'm getting, let's see what the charms have to add to this. Yeah, you're going to let go of all the attachments. You're not going to be attached to anything. The thing is, like, you're going to love people, but you will not be attached to people. You'll be loving your home, but you'll be not so attached. So if it's taken away from you, you will not be broken. That's the energy I'm getting here, right? Yes. Yes, lot of shadow work you will be doing 5 years. I feel like you are doing that right now, and 5 years from now you will be helping people to solve their problems in a way. That's what I'm getting. Like, you will be helping others. Your intuition, through your intuition, you will be helping other people to move forward in their life. Like, you will be very successful, and people will be looking, wow, this person can do it, that means I can also do it, right? And that way you will be motivating other people. And I even feel like that you are the one in your family who will be helping other people to grow, you will be helping others to like when I'm getting like breaking that ancestral curse. You're the one doing that, like yeah, you are going to help your family, you're going to help the society in some way through your gifts. So be proud of that, okay? So yeah, look, again we have feathers, angel, working with angels, working with spirit guides, working with the universe, believing in spirit guides, protection. Look, from all the sides you're protected. Your angels are there protecting you. So believe in yourself. I know that you're going to do that. So right now, believe in yourself, keep on moving forward, even though things seems a little bit sometimes you feel like, where I am going, is this my path? You doubt, don't doubt, don't give up. And I even feel like that, you will 5 years from now, you will not be watching tarot readings and all, because you will be so sure about your path that I don't know. That is also what I'm getting here. Like you don't want tarot reading because you know who you are, what you want, and you're not so worried about your future. You'll be in the present moment. So right, and yes, you're going to paint the colors that you love. You're going to live your life the way you want to do the thing. You're going to do the things that you love, right? And you will help other people in that also. Like, again, intuition is definitely very, 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 very strong here. Again, we have an owl here. Intuition. Oh wow, you have certain spiritual gifts. Work on that gifts. You're going to help people in some way, and you will help people to see the magic in their life. You're going to give hope to so many people. So be proud of yourself. And we have gun. Protection again. A lot of protection vibes here. And I'm getting wealth also. Yeah, if you want to make money, if you want to, I feel like you will be living a very comfortable life as well. Yeah. So we have fairies, like playful energy, going out in nature. That is going to be a mantra. I feel like 5 years from now. We have LEUX. K, Lexus. Maybe you want a Lexus, or I don't know, maybe you'll drive a Lexus. Yeah, we got the Lexus, right? Is it? That's very specific. And we have KR. So, is that the spelling? I think that is. I don't know. Anyways, that's what I received for you guys. Group number 3. Take care. See you soon. And I would like to thank Keen again for sponsoring this video. Thank you, Keen. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.